Here's how to turn off one-click ordering on Amazon so purchases can't be made instantly. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in with your Amazon account. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account to open your full account dashboard. Scroll down and look for Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Click 1. Click Settings or Your Purchase Preferences, depending on your region. This page controls whether one-click ordering is enabled for your entire account. On this page, look for the toggle or button that says Disable One-Click or Turn Off One-Click Ordering. Click it to disable the feature. Once it's turned off, Amazon will require full checkout steps before placing any order, preventing accidental purchases. For extra protection, scroll down to review your default payment method and default shipping address. If needed, remove or change them so nothing can auto-complete during checkout. Your one-click setting syncs across all devices, but you can double-check by opening the Amazon Orders or Account page on your phone or tablet. If one click is off, you'll no longer see the Quick Purchase button or instant checkout options. If multiple people use your device, turn on Login and Security, two-step verification to prevent unauthorized purchases of any kind. And that's it. You've successfully turned off one-click ordering on Amazon.